welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying a Gershion Polygel Kit. This is a pink themed polygel kit. Here's what it looks like. Everything you get. First, we have a hand file, 100 and 180 grit. We have a polygel brush. We have some paper nail forms. We have some dual forms here, which I will not be using because I don't like dual forms. We got some base coat and top coat, and this kit comes with 3 different polygels. First color we got, it looks like white. It is a nice white color, kind of like a soft white. Next color is 008, and it is this really pretty pink color. It's like a soft pink. Next is 009, which is the sheer, peachy sheer color. Here are what the swatches look like, and I think these colors are very beautiful. The next thing we have is a package here from Jeulia Jewelry. We have another piece from Jeulia. We're just gonna open it up and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So first things first, we got the gift bag here in case you want to give this as a gift, which is so cute. I'm so glad they add this in. Next we got information about refunds or anything like that in this little pamphlet. And next we got the Jeulia booklet. Basically shows you some items from Jeulia. Here's basically a catalog of jewelry pieces that Jeulia has, and I'm gonna give you a little bit spoiler, but I kind of got this today. They have matching pieces and everything: necklace, earrings, ring, the bracelet. And it basically shows you everything they have. They have some fun pieces here. They have engagement rings, wedding rings, bracelets, necklace, earrings. They have a lot of like special kind of jewelries, like you saw this Groot. Yeah, they have a bunch of special stuff like that on the website. All of their information, website, Instagram will be in the description below. They have a lot of cool stuff. You can even put your own family pictures in here, which is that is so cute. The first piece I got was a necklace. It is lasting really good. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. Here's the box looks like. And I got a tennis bracelet. Here is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I feel like I can't wear it because it's just too pretty. I don't want to ruin it or something. It has a adjustable little thing right here. Very easy adjustable, especially since I got these long nails. So, you know, the little clamps. Yeah, not always the best thing. So this is so nice and so easy. You just have to move this back and forth. Wow. I wish you guys could like really see this in real life. It's so pretty. Here's what it looks like. This bracelet is priced at about $270, but it looks very much worth it. It looks really good quality. If you guys are interested, the link and the code is down below in the description. I definitely recommend Jeulia Jewelry. Their jewelry is very good quality and very beautiful. I wish I could get like the whole set that matches this bracelet because it is just so pretty. That is it for this little section of the video. If you want a matching bracelet with me, come on sis. Anyway, let's get right into this nail set. I'm gonna start with the cuticle pusher and push back the cuticles. Now I'm gonna take my fine grit sanding band. I'm just gonna remove the shine from the nails. Next, I'm just gonna take some 100% acetone and wipe off the dust from the nails. Then I'm gonna take these nail tips. These are the Makartt half cover tips in the color clear. Now I'm just gonna take some KDS glue and I'm just gonna glue on the nail tips. So now I'm just taking my tip cutter and I'm just gonna cut off a little bit of excess on the nails. Now I'm just going to taper these in a little bit, and I'm using my straight edge nail clippers. So now I'm just going to take my hand file and just reshape these nails. Now I'm just going to take my sanding band and remove the shine from all the nail tips. primer today, and we're just gonna go in with some base coat. So I got my mixing plate here, got this on Amazon. The nails have the base coat applied, and I'm going to be using the white, the pink color, and I'm going to use some clear from another Gershion kit. And we're going to do a marble look today. I'm going to put some polygel on this, kind of swirl it around, and then put it on the nail, and we'll see how that goes. I'm first going to start with clear, and I'm just going to put kind of a lot. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the pink. I'm just going to take the sharp end of my cuticle pusher. Then I'm going to swirl this around. Just kind of like so. It mixed. No, now I'm going to stop right here, and then I'm just going to scrape this up. Oh God. What? And put this on the nail. So not quite sure how this is kind of going yet. So it just doesn't look how I thought it was gonna look, so we're gonna restart. So my sister suggested for me to make a buffet of polygel. Put a bead of each color on the plate and then just pick it up and put it on the nail. So this method was much better than doing what I did before, swirling it on the plate and then putting it on the nail. This method just worked much better. Picking up tiny beads of the polygel and kind of smushing it on the nail, kind of what pattern I want the marble to look. And then basically once I put enough polygel on the nail where it looked like I could build a thick enough nail, I went in with my polygel brush and then I just started smoothing out the nail. I didn't want the colors to be mixed, so I made sure to just kind of pat the nail in place and not kind of drag anything too much. I think this technique worked really good for marbling. I think it's one of my best marble sets I've done. I think I've only done marble once or twice. I honestly can't remember, but this is the best looking one. It looks the most organic. I think it looks really cute. This is kind of a rose quartz kind of marble look, I guess, right? Rose quartz. I think this is a good set for the colors that came in this Gershion kit. So I just kept picking up random beads of the polygel and placing it on the nail. When I did the first technique, I did mostly a clear base, and that's what made it kind of look weird, I think. So I used more pink and white and a little bit of clear for this time around, and I think it looked much better. So if you guys are interested in this Gershion kit, the link will be in the description. I do get a small commission from Amazon affiliate, and you guys will get 10% off if you use the coupon code nailsbyvic on Amazon. But I think it's worth it. I think these colors are really pretty. You can do ombre. You can do a pink to white ombre, which I think will look really cute. You can do this marble set. I'm not sure what sets you can create with that peachy sheer color. I think that color can also create really cute nail sets. If you guys do get this kit and you do make sets, you should DM me on Instagram and show me some pictures, because I would like to see what you guys create using this kit if you do get the kit, especially using that peachy orangey color, because I just wasn't sure what I could make using that color, so I didn't really use it in this kit. And I also used clear, which you don't have to use because the clear came in another Gershion kit, so you don't have to use clear if you don't want to. I think this marble set will still look good without the clear. It'll just be a little more saturated with the pink and the white. Okay, so once I have the polygel applied and cured and everything, I'm just taking my hand file and my Makartt dust collector, and I'm just gonna reshape these nails. I applied the polygel pretty well, so I didn't have to do like extreme filing. These nails were already really nicely shaped. Since they are marbled, I was a little bit more careful because I didn't want to file away any of the overlapping within the polygels. So I just tried to be careful, but I didn't think it needed to be encapsulated since the colors were kind of mixed already from the moment they were put on the nails. I think it was okay that I didn't encapsulate it, and I think it still turned out fine in the end. So you don't really have to encapsulate it when you do this kind of technique. Next, I'm going to take this safety nail drill bit, and I'm just going to go around the cuticle area to seal the cuticle area, and I'm also going to go over the nail to remove any of the scratches. Go in with some base coat and put a layer of base coat over all the nails because we are using these gold foils, and yeah, so we need a sticky layer for the foils to stick to. So I'm just going to paint a layer on all the nails, and then I'm going to cure this in the nail lamp. Go in with some top coat and finish this look. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some dipped and dusted nails cuticle oil to finish everything. And here are how the nails turned out. So these are how the nails turned out. This pink marble swirl nails. Oh, okay. I think I really like them. These nails are so cute, and I think the method that I used to create this look was really good. Much better than some of my other marble techniques. So if you guys are interested in this Gershion kit, the link and everything will be in the description. I think this kit is worth it. The polygels worked really good. The textures of the polygels are good as always. I really like the consistency of Gershion's polygels. They have never disappointed me. So I do recommend this kit, and I think it created this beautiful marble set. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.